Welcome to SK Log. 5 Rafale aircrafts are arriving on 29 July 2020. Rafale aircraft from France. 4 years ago, India France signed a deal. 36 Rafale aircrafts for 59,000 crore. 5 Rafale aircrafts are arriving on 29 July. 3 single-seaters and 2 twin-seaters. Its speed is 2,222.6 km per hour. Its range is 3,700 km. It can carry 9,500 kg. It can carry maximum 24,500 kg. It's manufactured by Dassault Aviation, France. Indian pilots are ready to take off. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.